All right, so today's assignment, we're finding parts of a group using fractions. We're going to take a look at this first page here, and we're going to read the word problem. It says Audrey buys a bouquet of 12 flowers. 1/3 of them are red. Okay. We are going to find out how to find this. 1/3 of 12. Okay, so we're going to find um, a fraction of a whole number, basically. How many of the flowers are red is what they're asking. Well, 1/3 of them are red. Well, we're going to see what number that really means. So what we can do here is, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture. We're going to put 12 counters. So we're going to draw just 12 circles to represent 12 roses. And we're going to put them on these 3 spots here. The reason being is since you want to find 1/3 of 12, 1/3 of the group, okay? The group is 12. There should be 3 equal groups. We already know that because that bottom always tells us the equal parts, right? Of the group. So we're going to draw 12. And if we're going to do equal groups in three separate groups here, if we're going to find 1/3 of them, then we have to put 12 in each equally. So what we can do is first just go like this and count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We separated the 12 roses into 3 equal groups, and one of those 3 groups would be 1/3. So 1/3 is actually how many roses? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we found 1/3 of 12. Easy as that. Let's take a look at, so we can look at that as saying 1/3 of 12 equals 4. We could put 4 right there. So 4 of the flowers are red. Let's go ahead and do that with a couple other problems. We can look at this word problem here. What if Audrey buys a bouquet of 9 flowers and 1/3 of them are yellow? We need to find 1/3, use your math board and counters to find how many of the flowers are yellow. 1/3, we know that 1/3 of 9 are going to be yellow. So what we could do is we need to have how many equal groups? 3 equal groups of 9. So we could draw our groups right here. Here's our 3 equal groups. And 9 has to be separated into each of these 3 groups equally, and we can start by counting 1 by 9 up to 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. 1/3 of 9 is actually 3. So 3 of those flowers are yellow. So one of those 3 groups, one of the 3 groups is yellow, okay? Which is 3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. Let's take a look at, okay, use the model to find a half of 8. Okay, 1/2 of 8. A lot of you already know what 1/2 of 8 is, but what that means is we have 2 equal groups of 8. Here's 2 equal groups. Here's 1 group. Here's 2 groups of 8. And if we were to say 1/2 of those, one of the 2, would be 4. So how many are in that group? 4. Half of 8 is 4. A lot of you already knew that, but did you know you've probably never seen it look that way before. So we're going to go ahead and look at these groups down here. And they already have written out here for you. So what we're looking for is 1/4 of 8, okay? They already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They already have the 8 flowers. They want to know what's 1/4 of the 8 flowers, okay? So what we need to do is we need to make 4 equal groups. And we have to divide these up into 4 equal groups. Well, sometimes you have to guess and check. Um, and so we could make 4 equal groups. It looks like I can make groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they all equal? Yes, 2, 2, 2, 2. They are equal. So 1 of the 4 equals 2. 2, 1/4 of 8 is actually 2. We can always represent that with a picture. 1/3 of 6 is what they're looking for here. 1/3 of the 6 pretty daisies here. We need to make 3 equal groups of 6. Okay? 3 equal groups of 6. This is going to be a group 1, 2, 3. That's 3 equal groups. So 1/3. What is 1/3 of 6? That would be just this group here with 2. 2 is 1/3 of 6. 1/6 of 12 tulips, okay? They want to know what's 1/6 of, like if, say, could you please give 1/6 of those 12 daisies to your sister, to your friend, or to your teacher? We want to make 6 equal groups of 12. 6 equal groups. And what is that 1/6 going to look like? How many is in that group? We're not sure. Let's go ahead and make those groups. Whew, let's see, should I put 2 in each? Should I put 3 in each? Well, I'm going to try 3. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. Oh, that does not equal 6 equal groups. So I'm going to have to erase that and try again. Let's try to just put 2 in each group. And we have to make 6 equal groups. 1 equal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, we have 6 equal groups. How many are in each group? One in one of the 6 groups? 2. 1/6 of 12 is 2. All right, that's what you will be doing today. So make sure you make these equal groups. You'll be completing this page here. Make sure you make your groups here. And I think that covers most of today's assignment. All right. Good luck. Please call me or email me if you have any questions about today's assignment. Have a great one.